Hi everyone, thank you very much for tuning in. We'll be talking about the virtuals protocol, okay? But before we start off, I just have to tell you that the information which I will be providing to you guys is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. You should always consult with the qualified financial advisors before making any investments or financial decisions. So now let's move into the subject of today's talk, okay? I'll be covering virtual terminal, okay, and there will be few websites I'll be using to do it, okay. First, I want to go and check this CoinGecko article about what is virtual protocol, how to buy, trade, create agents, okay. Very informative. I highly encourage you go ahead and check this one out. You can learn a lot, okay, from it and it's not so old, like it was just created on December the 30th, so it's still up to date. Okay, so now let's talk about what the virtual protocol is. Okay, it's an innovative platform that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain technology. Okay, and it's aiming to revolutionize digital interactions through customizable and autonomous virtual agents. I can go ahead and show you their protocol. Okay, it's they can give you the informations breakdown of their stack, and everything else. Okay, so I think it's quite interesting. Okay. Uh, okay, so this review will delve into the core of the features, okay, functionalities and implications of virtual protocol within the crypto landscape. So let's talk about the overview, okay? What it is, how it works, and so on and so forth, right? So it was launched in 2024. Despite the fact that you actually show on their website, when you go and scroll it all the way down to the bottom of their virtuals.io, it says 2021, okay? But officially they were launched on 2024. And as we all know, this is very a popular topic now when it comes to those AI agents. And this is the place to go, all right, when it comes to AI agents, for example, okay? It is based, and because they were so popular on the end of the 2024, and apparently 2025 is the year of AI agents. So, Virtual's protocol operates on the Ethereum Layer 2 based network. It provides a decentralized ecosystem where users can create, own, and interact with AI agents without requiring extensive technical knowledge. The platform's primary goal is to democratize access to AI by allowing users to easily create and monetize these agents through a user friendly interface. Okay, so here is the quick, flow of their how this platform works. All right, and yeah, it's so easy. Like if you can go, if you want to do it, okay, you can obviously go and check those agents which they are already in existence. But you also, if you want to go and you have an idea and you want to go and create your own agents, just simply come into the create new agents and you can start off. Okay, you can connect your wallet and there you go. You can start, you create your own agents, no problem at all. So let's talk about the key features of this one. Okay, first, the creation of an agent. So users can create agents using a simple staking process, which does not necessitate coding skills. This accessibility is a significant advantage of non-technical users. The second of all is the tokenization. So each agent becomes an ERC20 token, facilitating co-ownership and enabling users to earn revenue from their activities. You can see how many agents are already existing on their protocol, okay, on their platform, virtuals.io. Remember, go and check it out. It's so many already there, and look at the market caps there, okay, those numbers are quite significant. This tokenization process enhances users to engagement and investment opportunities. And there is also monetization available. So the protocol allows AI agents to generate revenue through various interactions across platforms like gaming, social media, and entertainment. This revenue is distributed among token holders associated with the prospective agent. So, for example, if you go AIXBT, okay, this is the agent, and you can always go ahead and check their price and everything else. And Okay, you can go and check and rate it like AIXBT tracks city discussions and leverages its proprietary engine to identify a high momentum place. Okay, AIXBT tokens holders gain access to its analytics platforms. All right, so apparently this AIXBT it's a very good agent for training those AI agents altogether. Okay, and it's been built on Virtuals, which Virtuals been built on Ethereum layer 2. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, in a nutshell. So if you guys are interested in AI agents, you probably already know the AXBT, and it was introduced to actually Binance past week. I think that was Friday. It was introduced to. Let me see. 1 week ago. Let me see. You see that they're going up very, very high up. It's something which is actually showing you guys that this is something. Let me see, one day by day. Okay. When I go to the see 14/10. Okay. That was this XPT. That was the day where they actually were introduced to Binance, and you see that there was a huge spike in their price. Okay, there was a little bit of drop. Okay, everyone was saying like, oh, hold on a second, the AI agents are crashing down. All this stuff, that was. I actually did some video yesterday about it, but now look at this. Okay, it's going up even higher than it went up on the Binance news. Okay, back from Friday the 10th. So yeah, it's that's how you can go, and you can go and check all other agents available here. For example, this one game, it's also interesting. All right, and and there's so many of them. Like here, you can see it how many of those agents are available on their platform. Now let's turn into the coin market cap, okay, and let's talk about the Virtuals token. So the Virtuals token is central to the Virtuals protocol ecosystem. It serves multiple purposes. It's medium of exchange. So virtual is required for creating new agents. So if you want to go ahead and create a new agents like this one of these, okay, you need to possess virtual token. Okay, and facilitates transactions between different tokens within the ecosystem. If you do any sort of transactions between those tokens, virtual is the currency you need to have if you want to perform any sort of exchange of value between those tokens. It's have its own governance. Token holders can participate in decision-making process through a decentralized autonomous organization called DAO, okay, influencing the protocol's evolution. So I think, guys, I can show you that here is the governance forum, Virtuals Protocol DAO, and then you can go ahead, and if you are a holder of this Virtuals Protocol token, you can go and you can participate in their decision making. Okay, so for example, in this particular occasion, Protocol V2 upgrade proof of intelligence via initial agent offering. Okay, and that was voted on the 13th of May 2024. Votes for 79 millions against 776. Okay, so there you go. They won this one. It went through. All right, and so on and so forth. You can go ahead and you can just participate in governance of this virtual protocol, but you need to have virtual token. All right, and also there's a revenue generation. Okay, each time an AI agent is utilized, users pay inference costs in virtuals. All right, creating a consistent revenue stream that supports the ecosystem sustainability. Okay, so there is a virtuals protocol on CoinMarketCap. Today price is $2.85. That's in US dollars. All right, so it's a pair virtuals protocol to USDT. So this is something which you need to know. If you want to go and participate in virtuals protocol, you need to buy some of those. Okay, otherwise you would not have the ability to actually exchange the value between those agents if you're planning to do so, or you cannot even create the new agents without the virtual token. Plus, obviously, there's no possibility of participating in their DAO. Now, let's talk about the tokenomics of virtual token. It's fixed at 1 billion with no future inflation planned. This distribution includes a public supply of 600 million tokens, ecosystem treasury of 350 million tokens, and liquidity pool of 50 million tokens. Recent market performance has been virtuals grow significantly, increasing by 300% over the last month and reaching an all-time high at about $4.61, $4.62 nearly on the 2nd of January. All right, reflecting the strong interest and confidence in the project's potential. So, at the heart of Virtual's protocol lies the GAME, Generative Autonomous Multimodal Entities Framework. So, now let's cover the technical architecture. At the heart of Virtual's protocol lies the GAME, Generative Autonomous Multimodal Entities. Okay, you can go and try the game here. All right. And that's the game frame. That's what they call it. This framework enables agents to process inputs from their environment, make decisions, and engage in complex interactions across various platforms simultaneously. Unlike traditional AI systems that struggle with multiple user interactions, GAME allows for parallel hypersynchronicity, enabling thousands of users to interact with the same agents without inconsistencies. That's pretty powerful, guys. Okay, so many people can actually do it simultaneously, and that's something which is not really common when it comes to those AI agents. Okay, AI platforms, they have there's many people using it at the same time. Let's say you go to ChatGPT, for example, or even Perplexity or any others. If there's more and more people joining the network at the same time, they are the time delays are quite significant. Okay, this GAME framework is actually preventing this from happening, and that's really powerful. Memory system. The memory architecture of Virtual's protocol utilizes knowledge graphs and memory embedding to store information permanently. This innovative approach allows agents to recall past interactions and apply learned experiences to new situations, enhancing their contextual responses and overall user experience. Okay, this has all been provided here, guys. I will show you. This is going to virtuals.io /protocol, and you can go ahead and check it yourself. Now, let's talk about some use cases of Virtuals protocol. It has diverse applications across several industries, like, for example, gaming. AI agents can serve as non-player characters and NPCs that adapt to player behavior, offering personalized gaming experiences. Virtuals protocol actually started as a gaming protocol, okay? So bear in mind, this has been based on the game that the first time they actually launched it was a gaming protocol, okay? Now, social media agents can function as a virtual influencers that engage authentically with followers, learning from the past interactions. And also entertaining. The protocol enables agents to act as guides or characters in various online services, enhancing user engagement through interactive experiences. So I think that's when it comes to technicality, tokenomics and all these bits and pieces, I think I covered it all. But now let's go and quickly visit their X account, the Twitter account. As you can see, it's quite popular, 175,000 followers, all right, and growing, okay. And that's something which I highly encourage you, go ahead and check it out, their Twitter account, because that's they actually posting on it regularly and making sure that the people actually are up to date with what's happening. Okay, so future prospects, for example, what they're talking about, like solidify its position in the market. Virtuous protocol could focus on expanding functionalities, okay, and that's all been covered here on the Twitter. Introducing more tools for customizing and training AI agents, community growth, investing in the educational resources to empower less experienced users, strategic partnerships, collaborating with other projects in the AI and blockchain space to enhance technological capabilities. So, guys, I think that's all I want to cover regarding this one, all right? So, virtual protocol represents a significant advancement in integrating AI with blockchain technology. I think it's quite interesting. You should go and check it out. It's focused on accessibility, monetization opportunities for users, and innovative technical architecture. Positions it as a leader in the evolving landscape of decentralized digital interactions. As it continues to develop and expand its functionalities, it holds considerable promise for both individual users and broader industry applications. Oh, that's all I want to cover in this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you got any sort of comments, please leave it down below. I'll be leaving the this for you guys to decide it if you like this video. Okay, so if you did, please hit the like button, please, and subscribe to my channel. That definitely will help to grow my audience. It will trigger the algorithm, so it will reach out to more and more people. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.